Hey guys, what's up? And today we'll be unboxing the Apple's 30-pin dock connector that was released initially on the early iPods and iPhones. But as you can see here, it says lightning to USB cable, but yeah guys, this is a fake, so it's obviously wrong. It's actually called the Apple 30-pin dock connector. So guys, let's connect it to this iPod and let's see. And guys, by the way, this is actually a knockoff. So yeah, so it comes like how it comes in an Apple box. So guys, you connect this part to your iPod, as you can see here. This is the iPod Nano 4th Gen, and you connect this end, the USB end, to the charging. So guys, let's see if it's charging. And guys, as you can see here, the Apple logo has lit up and it's charging really well. Guys, even knockoffs are doing really well these days. If you have noticed, Apple makes a problem, but then there's always someone to solve it. So guys, even though they stopped making this product, you can still get really good knockoffs. Like, this quality feels really good. It doesn't feel like it's going to break anytime soon, and I hope you like this video. So guys, please smash the like button, subscribe and share this video. I'll be doing a giveaway when I get 100 subscribers. I'll be giving away a pair of Skull Candy earphones. So yeah guys, subscribe and share this video. I'll see you soon.